Hey guys, this is RLC321. I am back with another model kit unboxing video. I've actually got two coming up. Now then, first one. What's the first one going to be? It's going to be a box. It's going to be in a box. Actually, no, it's not going to be that big. It's going to be a bit bigger than that box. And oh, I've just made marks. Look at that. So, first one. Let's just reach behind me, and we shall see. It is Star Trek Voyager. Let's get that all in shot properly. Well, close enough. Star Trek Voyager by Revell. It's going to be 51.4 centimeters long when it's built. A while back, when I first started getting into modeling, I did build this kit. I think this is a re-release though, because I don't remember the box being like this. It opens up from the side. Yeah, you can get the Kazon fighter as well, and the Marquee fighter, which I will be getting those as well. It's a skill level 3, which is right there. I'm going to be doing some things with this. I'm going to be... Oh, wait a minute. Got some nice detail pictures along the side here as well. Now, what I want to do with this, I've ordered a lighting kit for this already. It's going to be the first time I've ever lit one of these models. And I wanted to use the Voyager to practice on, because when you see the next video, you'll see why I want to practice. Because the next video, the next unboxing, I want to make that one be the best I possibly can. I'm gonna make this the best I possibly can, obviously, but the next one I want it to be, you know, I'm gonna go all out. You know, I'm gonna go like LED lights, graphic effects, Aztec and everything like that. But for this, I'm going to just do the normal Star Trek Voyager with normal lights, and that's pretty much it. So I thought we'll have a little look, we'll have a little unbox and see what we have. And what we have is baggies. Some more baggies. Another baggie. Decals and clear parts. Okay, and what's this? Oh, just safety advice. Okay, let's have a look at a few of these things, shall we? Let's have a look at the decals first. I think, and they're quite extensive. These decals. There's an awful lot there, and they look pretty good. That's going to go on the back end of the saucer. I have no idea what... Oh, these are windows. These are the decals for the windows and that. Okay. I don't know how you put them on. That wasn't on the kit I'd done previously. And also you got your lifeboats here. There's loads of markings and things to put on here, and I think these go on the end of the nacelles. Not the nacelles, they're what they call these things. They got the end of the phaser banks, that's it. Transport units, I think that's part of the shuttle bay doors or something like that. But as I say, there is a lot of decals on here. So it's going to be very interesting putting this together. Putting those decals on. We've got some clear parts. I'm not going to take them out of the bag. Oh, I see why you got the decals. That's not going to work though. Because the decals, you can't put the decals on the back side. Here we go. This is the clear parts, and it has some windows. Right? Now I'm thinking, oh, maybe put the decals on the windows. I don't know. I think you do, but it's just not going to look like there's windows there. But I'm going to like this kit anyway, so I don't think we're going to need the window decals for this. I want to keep these in here anyway, so we can get just to keep it all nice and clean and fresh. But there, the detail on this looks really nice. Nice raised detail on the bridge, not the bridge, the I can't remember what that's called. The sensor array, something or other, I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. You got the warp nacelles. They're going to be coloured with a clear blue, and then the edges I'm going to do like a copper on them, and copper inside of the lines here as well. So I need to mask off certain bits so I can do that. Yeah, so there's the clear parts. We'll get to the manual in a minute. And just put that to the side. We'll have a look at that last. Let's see what we've got in here. And it's stuff everywhere. Let's see what we have. Okay. So it looks like we've got the wing ports here. This is for the impulse engines, and I think I'm going to have to drill these out, because I know the kit that I've bought, the lighting kit that I've bought, has, you can put the lights in here, inside here. So I'm going to have to make sure that's all done as well. These are some of the sensor arrays here and there. Looks like I've got quite a bit of flash on this part, just there. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. A little bit of flash. That's for the back end of the body. There's a lot of detail on this kit though. Okay, there's deflector dish. That's what that is. There's that goes on the deflector dish. So I can't remember what that bit goes with then. That's part of the deflector dish. That's the more. This is part of the sensor array. The back end of the ship. There's some of your phaser banks. There, really nice detail on this though. Here we are with some more bits. I've even got a little teeny tiny shuttlecraft. Look at that. I don't know if you can, oh, I'm hitting the microphone there. Sorry, that's there's a little teeny tiny shuttlecraft. That's interesting. I don't know what this part's for. Yeah, I don't remember a lot of these parts in the original build that I've done of this. So you got a little bit of flash just there. The flash is easily taken care of. There's the part of the stand. Oh, I forgot about the stand was on the other bit. And here is the hull. Again, the detail looks really, really nice. So yeah, the detail on this looks really nice. If we can get a little bit up close there, some nice panel details in there. And we're going to have to drill out all these, not all of the windows, some of the windows we're going to have to drill out. In some places the detailing looks a little bit soft, like if we can go right here, it looks a little bit soft there. So I might have to rescribe that area. Is that the same on both sides? No, because the other side looks pretty good. So it's just this side there that I'm going to have to rescribe. And now let's go with the saucer section. Saucer section. Give me the saucer sections. Come here. Come to Papa. Here's the saucer section here. So again, really nice detail on here. I mean, I think that's the captain's shuttlecraft right there. So nice detail. There's even, is there detail inside the phaser banks? I don't think so. I don't think there is. Let me have a fit. No, I thought there might have been detail inside the phaser banks. So that looks pretty good. Let's trim the top end. There we go. Is the top end of the Voyager. It's actually going to be quite a big kit when it's finished. Got some. That's for the transporter modules or whatever they're called. Lifeboats are there. Another phaser bank. The bridge. So yeah, I'm going to be lighting this kit. I mean, I've watched a few videos now of how to light kits. I'm going to watch a few videos on how to light the Voyager kit especially. So I've got a rough idea of what I'm doing. So I know I need to paint all of the inside. I'm going to paint it with my primer. My normal grey primer is normal, but then I'm going to get some matte black and spray 2 or 3 heavy coats of matte black on the inside on all of the parts to make sure that we don't get any light bleeding through or anything like that. And then we're going to have to fill places where they're going to be, other pits are going to be stuck on. We need to make sure that they are filled in as well, so no light comes through them and that. But I'll take you through the whole process of doing all that anyway. And obviously drilling out some of these other windows, not all of them as I said, just some of them. And yeah, I mean the lighting kit that I've got from eBay, and it's gonna be interesting because I haven't actually built this particular model in quite a while. And actually, are you even gonna fit on there? You're not fitting correctly. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Get on there. Let's just try to do a dry test fit here. Right, so that's on there. No, you've come up there. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Right, so there. There we go. Now you're on there. Good. Okay. Alright, so yeah, this is gonna be it's gonna be a good kit. As I say, I haven't actually built the Voyager. I think it was about 1997, 1998, I think. 1998 was when I first built the Voyager. That's when I first started getting into modelling. So I only hand painted it with an airbrush. So I'm hoping I can do this kit justice. I mean, I'm still gonna make this kit look really good. Well, at least I'm hoping so. You know, I mean, I'm not a professional modeler. I think I've mentioned that as many times in the past. I'm not a professional modeler. I don't sit in front of the camera and model away and get loads of money like that. No, this is just for fun. I'm not talking about that kind of modeling though. But yeah, so this is going to be an interesting build, because I mean, I want to be doing it in obviously sub assemblies and things like that. But before we do anything, the first thing I'm going to be doing is priming all the, while they're on the sprue, priming all the stuff on the inside, except for this. I'm not going to prime these. Yeah, let's put that in there as well. Priming it all with obviously with the black, the grey, and then the black, and going from there and trying to get it all blocked off and blacked out. Let's see, I should put the decals there. Right, let's have a look at the instruction manual, shall we? There we go. Instruction manual. Let's move over this way a little bit. Which looks like your basic read before you start, what the symbols actually mean. Painting guide, and then obviously the parts tree just there. Oh dear, so you have to excuse me, I've got another cold. And then it looks like it's showing you how to paint it all already. Yes, showing you how to paint it. Usually you find out the painting stuff after, but it looks like it's telling you to paint it all before. Now obviously when we put it together, once you get the lighting kit and everything installed and done, we're going to be putting it together before we actually paint the outside. So we're going to have to be masking a lot of stuff as well, so that we don't get extra paint on it, because there's going to be seam lines. We want to make sure there's no gaps in the seam lines and everything. And this is some more painting here, and this here is where we put it together. Well, looking quite good. There's some stuff it looks like you have to do beforehand, obviously the windows and everything. Yeah, the decals are, it's showing the windows, and the decals are supposed to go behind it. But how can the decals go behind it? Because the sticky stuff is behind. If you know me, because you've got the decal here. This is the sticky stuff. This is the picture. Then you got the window here, and it's telling you to stick it like that. But the sticky's already behind the decal, so it's not gonna stick. So I don't know how or why they're telling you to do that. I really don't know. But anywhoozle, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So that's the top of the saucer section. Then we've got the stuff to do in the bottom of the saucer. Then the hull. Joining the hull together. Then you do the nacelle holding thingamabobbies. Impulse engines, we call those. And then fitting that onto there, because obviously I've got to wire all everything inside here, and the wire's got to go up there as well. Then do the nacelles and fitting the nacelles on. Painting the little decal. Oh, they even got decals for this. Painting and decaling that bad boy, the shuttlecraft. Looks like, oh, that looks like that's the shuttle interior there. Oh, shuttle bay interior, nice. It's actually got an interior on here. That's good. And I think these are just like colouring details and everything, and then obviously the stand. See, the stand, I might use use the stand. The reason why I'm saying that is I might be able to get away with cutting a hole inside here on this part of the stand, running the wires, the two wires, one on that side, one on the inside there, then another hole there, through there, and then leading out the cut two holes there, leading out the back where it's going to be run by 9-volt battery. Is the place I got it is oh, I can't remember what the eBay buyer's name for it, but they're from Ireland anyway, and so I'm getting the lighting kit from there. So I might do that, and because it just have like the 9-volt battery hidden away behind here, something, because you're not really going to see it, and just whenever I want to switch it on, I just unhook one of the things, turn it around, then you want to switch it on, just turn it around, plug it back in, done. Yeah. You do that, and then obviously the extensive decal placement on here. That is extremely extensive. There is loads of decals here. 143, 144. And there's 166 decals on the whole sheet. Obviously there's some of them we're not going to use. But yeah, so that's the rest of the decals. Yeah, it's going to be my first time lighting up a model kit. As I said, I've never done it before, and I really want to do it. So there we go. That's the first video of the unboxing, and that is obviously Revell's Star Trek Voyager. Yes. So anyway, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Look out for the work in progress build videos of Voyager, which will be coming up very soon. And so I will see you then. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.